southeastern Massachusetts, Middlesex
go.
County in northeastern Massachusetts until 10:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 9:42 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Templeton, or 10 miles east of Orange, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts.
You guys can probably see.
Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines.
Power lines?
Locations impacted include Lowell, Lynn, Nashua, Lawrence, Haverhill, Waltham, Malden, Medford, Peabody, Methuen, Arlington, Salem, Leominster, Fitchburg,
Okay,
Eureka,
my grandma's in
Adelaide,
this.
Marlborough, Woburn, Chelmsford, and Andover. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Oh.
The current time is 9:44 p.m.
Right, guys.